I've always wanted a big family, but it's very hectic and it can be expensive.
It's mayhem. We've got 5 girls and 1 boy.
We shop at Asda because it's just great value for money. They always want different things.
We're all chocoholics.
I love chicken pie.
Good job everything is so low priced. Rollback's great. I seem to spend less every time. It's nice to be able to treat ourselves. I always go to Asda because I always get low prices.
Attention please, is there a doctor on board?
With the flashing light?
Maybe.
Call Direct Line now, and not only will you find our breakdown cover starts from £35.
Dad, I'm going to have a go in the big truck with the flashing light.
No son, the man's fixed it.
But we also fix 80% of cars at the roadside.
Dad, the truck.
Call 0845 246 5050 or buy online now. We'll get you going again from just £35.
That Friday feeling with Cadbury's Crunchy.
Come on, Wonky, we're gonna get fit. What? Can't let all these loans and that get us down. Here, you overlay this. Oh.
What's that?
Hang on. Tesco are doing motor insurance and cheap motor insurance at that.
Hey, I might apply myself. You never know when the wheels are gonna come off.
Tesco Motor Insurance could be up to 30% cheaper than other leading insurers.
ITV is now more than just a TV channel. It's a huge variety of programs, channels, and interactive services bringing entertainment to you. So Britain's favourite channel, the channel you're watching now, has a new name, ITV1. You'll still see the best programs in the same place, only the name has changed. The first choice for the best television in Britain, ITV1.
You are watching Yorkshire Television, and in a moment we will be going to Emmerdale, but first, it's the ITV. We apologise for interrupting your programming. Please stay tuned for an important announcement. If you are watching in the Yorkshire region, this is coming from an emergency transmitter that's been set up. Recently, a mass media power outage has happened in the Yorkshire region and is spreading fast into Manchester. This outage means that you won't be able to make telephone calls nor receive them. Many television channels may go off air, and your radio won't work either. Emergency services won't be able to help anyone in the affected areas, as they won't be able to receive calls. This emergency transmitter has limited power, so we will only be able to broadcast for a short time. We apologise for this inconvenience. Just because police are not able to receive phone calls or receive reports about any incidents does not mean that all crime is legal. Police are monitoring
This is BBC One, and soon we will be bringing you the news, but for viewers in Manchester and Scotland, we interrupt programming to bring you a very important announcement. Please stay tuned. You are watching BBC One. Please stay tuned as we have a very important announcement. Recently, a mass media power outage has struck the Yorkshire region and is set to reach Manchester and Scotland in the next 5 minutes. This means that telephone calls can't be received, television will go off air, and the radio won't be received. We have also received new reports that telephones, radios, and televisions begin to produce sparks when affected by this outage. For your own safety, it is recommended you move these items out of your home the moment it begins. These sparks are a large fire hazard. It is still not known if this power outage could move south. Good luck with this outage.
We now bring you an important announcement, as well as some sad news. Please don't turn off your TV. This is Channel 4. Stay tuned to this channel as we have important information. If you do not know already, a mass media power outage has swept the north of England and Scotland. This started in Yorkshire earlier this evening. This involved television, radio, and phone calls not being able to work at all. They also produced sparks, which leads us to the sad part. A massive wildfire has started due to the sparks, therefore, Yorkshire, the north-east of England, the north-west, and Scotland are burning to the ground. It is expected that the fire reaches the Midlands, Wales, London, and the south in the next few hours. The UK government has marked the island of Ireland as safe but still likely to burn if the power outages reach Ireland. The UK government is forcing everyone to evacuate to Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. You only have a few hours to evacuate. Pack all essential items before driving to the nearest port. Channels will now be restricted to broadcasting from 7 o'clock am to 9 o'clock am at the request of Ofcom. For overnight updates, teletext services will operate all night and all day. Only the BBC's channels, ITV's channels, Channel 4, ND4, Channel 5, and CBBC and SPBs will operate. All other channels will be shut down soon at the demand of Ofcom. Channel 4 wishes you the best of luck in your survival, and that you make it to the island of Ireland in time. Regular programming will now resume. Now, with the important news out of the way, regular programming now resumes, so here is a classic Friends to lighten the mood, followed by Channel 4 News.
Now on Sky 1, we interrupt programming to bring you some urgent news.
This channel has now closed at the demand of Ofcom. Please switch over to another channel.
Now on 1, we have a very important announcement. Stay tuned. Recently, A mass media power outage has started in England, specifically Yorkshire. This affects all media, including television, radio, and phone calls. When these items are affected, they produce sparks, which has caused a wildfire. Great Britain is set to burn in the next few hours. Many citizens of Great Britain are evacuating over here in Ireland and Northern Ireland. It is unknown if the power outage could spread here. Now, back to regular programming.